about benefits of cloud. Now let's see a real world example of the benefits of cloud in terms of economics or in terms of finance. Say a company needs to buy 1,000 servers in its classic data center. Instead, it decides to hire 1,000 server instances in cloud. So as you can see in the slide, there is 10 times difference in cost involved in buying the servers and maintaining the hardware on site and using the infrastructure provided by a cloud vendor. There are different types of cloud offerings as we explained. There is infrastructure as a service and software as a service and also platform as a service. So in real world, when would you use these type of cloud models depends on what your use case is, what your requirement is. For example, I want secured backup of my files so that I can retrieve data anywhere, anytime. So I would use a secured online backup service. So this would be software as a service where backup is provided to me as a service. So EMC Mozy is one of the examples. So if my organization needs to grow but cannot spend much to buy new servers, then I would need infrastructure as a service. So I would be able to get on-demand computing resources. So I would use Amazon EC2 to hire virtual machines or servers on demand. If my organization wants to test a software in a different platform before investing on it, I would go for a platform as a service. If I need a word processing application for a brief period to prepare my document, I would go for software as a service, which is, for example, Google Docs. So now that you are aware of the concepts of cloud and how it is implemented and what is the underlying architecture and what are the different types of services provided and what are the different types of deployment models and what are the concerns and how does an enterprise decide to go on, what type of cloud service provider and what are the key issues which have to be addressed to move to a cloud environment. With this, we are ending this session on cloud, in introduction to cloud computing. Thank you. Thank you for your time.